guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ena Friedrich. In case you're not already familiar with me, feel free to stick around, watch my other videos, click that subscribe button and check how I made this look and which products I've used to achieve it. I'm gonna jump straight to tutorial because I'm doing a full face. I'm always doing a full face of makeup, but today I'm gonna show you all the steps, beginning with my face, foundation, contouring and all that jazz along with this eye look. I just applied my chamomile day cream from Aphrodite to give my skin well needed moist. My skin is normal to dry and I have a couple of breakouts here and there, some dry patches, but we'll cover all of that eventually. Before I go with the foundation, I'm gonna spot conceal with full cover camouflage concealer in shade C2 from Revolution Pro. This step will save you a lot of time and nerves if you are dealing with very dark under eyes, discoloration or breakouts. You can use color correcting concealers for that purpose, but I prefer to use concealer in my skin tone, not the brightening one. I just found it quicker and it looks good. Moving on onto the foundation, I picked my favorite at the moment. These are foundation drops in shade F2 from Revolution Pro range as well. This is not a sponsored video, I promise. I just really enjoyed how my skin looked each time I've used this on. The coverage is nice and the way it reflects the light is almost skin alike. I've used Morphe M439, which is a very good foundation brush. I even prefer to apply my foundations with this brush more than a beauty blender, especially if they are this liquidy. Next I'm gonna go with the concealer. I've just used it under my eyes. This is Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer in shade Light Neutral from Catrice and blend it with a damp beauty blender. Whatever is left on the sponge, I'll use on my chin and forehead. I'm one of those people which always use creams for contouring. You can skip this step if this is not your thing. I just love to enhance my cheekbones as much as possible because they are naturally very flat. I'm using cream contouring kit from Slick Makeup. This one is in medium shade and I love how creamy and blendable this is. To blend everything nicely, I'm going on top with damp beauty blender. It's time to set my face and I'm going with LCMA No Color Powder, and to set my contour I'm using contouring powder palette from Pupa. This one is in medium. What I like to do to avoid that harsh lines, I love to start in my hairline and slowly bring it to the center of my face instead of starting in the middle. This way it looks more seamless. I know that a lot of makeup artists like to stab your bronzer and especially blush in the middle of your face and work in opposite direction, but I found that the results are nicer if you're doing it my way. The way I just showed you. For my bronzer, I picked my favorite bronzer, Terracotta Bronzer 4 Seasons in shade Natural Brunettes from Guerlain, and I'm gonna use the same technique. Starting from my hairline, slowly tapping it through the center of my cheeks. I'm gonna apply just a small amount of it down here as well because although it's a popular thing, I'm just not into that harsh contrast. Just like that, and now my favorite part, highlighter. I'm picking this cream highlighter from Natasha Denona Sculpt and Glow palette and I'm tapping it with my finger on the high points of my cheeks. You can use any liquid or cream highlighter you have. I just want this as a base so the powder highlight will pop up more layered on top of this. And this one is Illuminati from Artist Couture. I swear, Artist Couture and Natasha Denona makes the best highlighters from what I've tried. I haven't tried Amrezy Highlight or Pat McGrath ones. Hopefully that will change soon. I'm gonna set my face with Pharmacy, although I'm not finished with it, not yet, but I'll move on onto my eyes now. I quickly filled in my brows with chocolate shade pomade from Focallure and applied medical tape because I want my shadows very crisp since I'm creating a cat eye, very extreme cat eye. I just love that look and I think it suits my face well. So the first shade I'm picking up is this beigey nude from Juvia's Place Duce palette. I'm going with it all over my lid and crease, and then I'm going with this pink shade. I love how pigmented and vibrant these shades are. I want this to look very soft so I won't build the intensity as maybe some other days I would. I just want a nice wash of pink color. I'm using Morphe M518 and as you notice I applied it only on my outer half of lid and crease because on my inner part I'm applying this matte yellow shade. This is pigment from Lanmei and I'm tapping it with the same brush again, and I won't wet my brush, I won't make it super intense. To blend the edges, I'm picking the same beigey shade and bigger blending brush. I'm going with it gently over the edges to smooth them out. I want my eyeliner very thick and matte black, so I chose to use black pencil liner from Aiko. This liner is so worth it. It's pitch black and the tip doesn't dry down quickly. I've been using it a couple of weeks and it still performs fine. It's time to remove this tape, finish the lower lash line, apply mascara and the lashes. These lashes are the prettiest and the most comfortable lashes I've ever tried. They are super affordable as well. The brand is Second Guessing and these are in style everything. Okay, so before we apply lipstick and call it a day, I want to make my bronzer a bit more intense. I'm going with just a small amount of matte bronzer from Beauty UK because this is very pigmented and very dark. And then just to give my cheeks a flash of pink, I'm going with this blush topper from the same brand. This is so soft and sparkly. For my lips I chose Jeffree Star Skin Tight because it matches my eyes perfectly, and I'm gonna set my face with illuminating spray from Revolution. And that's it. I know that there were a lot of steps and a lot of different products I've used. Not all of them are affordable or drugstore, but you can always mix and match and use the products you already own. Let's be real, you can achieve this eye look with only 2 eyeshadows. I hope you like this look. I'm enjoying my own makeup today. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. I wish you to have a great day and bye bye.